joining me for the Designing Forms series. Today, we're going to learn all about the page field in the Forms on Fire form designer. You're designing your mobile forms using the Forms on Fire form designer. Awesome! The page field is the starting point to building forms. You can have as many pages as you want. There are no limitations. The page field is the page icon at the top left side of the form designer. This field allows you to display your fields in your form. When you start a new form, a page is automatically added with one text field. To add a new page, just click on the page icon and a blank page will appear. Click on the top of the page to display the properties bar on the right-hand side of the screen. You can completely customize the look and feel of your page. You're even able to make your page repeatable. This is great if you're collecting repeats of the same data. Just click on the repeatable checkbox in the properties section. The form designer allows you to view your form design in two different ways: page view or continuous view. Page view is defaulted, but say you have a field you want to move to a different page. Just click continuous view and click and drag the field to the page of your choice. Now you know how to use the page field on the Forms on Fire form designer. Call our technical support team if you have any questions about this tutorial. Comment below with what you'd like to see next. Join me for our next tutorial video, Mobile Forms at Work, Beautifully.